Okay, boys, today I will teach you about the present continuous tense. What are the rules of present continuous tense? And you must pay your attention what I am teaching you because the tense is very important in English language. Any language which has all the languages has the grammar portion. The student or anybody else knows the rules and regulation of the grammar. It means he has the full command on the subject. Today we will learn about the present continuous tense. First of all, I will teach you the rules and regulation of the present continuous tense. Present continuous tense, it means the work is going on and there is a continuity in the work, or there is a continuity activity in the activities going on. First of all, when suppose for example I will speak one sentence in English. I am cooking rice. I am cooking rice means you can say it in Hindi कि मैं चावल पका रहा हूँ. It means the work has not finished and work had not finished, but it is going to be cooked. It is continuous. Why it is continuous? The main verb which has the ing, it means that tense we can say either it is the past tense or either it is the future tense, either it is the present tense. The word which has the ing, it means in that time the work is continuous. For example, I am cooking rice. It means first of all how you will identify. Look towards me. Identify which is this tense. There are 12 tenses, but you will have to identify in English sentence, not in Hindi. I will tell you how to identify in Hindi, but first of all I will tell you in English how to identify the tenses. First of all, in present continuous tense, there are the helping verb. First, that is the is, am, are. These are helping verb of a present continuous tense. Main verb has ing with it. For example, cook plus ing, cooking. The main verb which has the ing and there are is, am, are as a helping verb. It means you understand automatically that it is a present continuous tense. For example, I speak one more sentence. I am writing a letter. Am is the helping verb. And writing the main verb plus first form. It means we have identified that it is present continuous tense. For example, again I speak one sentence more. He is playing hockey. He is playing hockey. It means is the helping verb and playing is the main verb. And main verb has ing. Automatically we have recognized it, identified it, that it is the present continuous tense. So need not to take the help of the Hindi language, how to write English and how to speak English and how to read the English. It is the direct method. If you learn the direct method of the English to learn the English language, then you must learn about all the tenses. Now second, if the sentence is, now we go towards the type of the sentences of present continuous tense. First, it is the affirmative sentence. Affirmative sentence means there will be no any negative sense in the sentence and it is only the normal or positive or affirmative. You can say that I am looking Taj Mahal. It is the affirmative sentence, it is the positive sentence. Second sentence, negative, then you will use not word. I am not looking Taj Mahal is the negative sentence. If you want to use the affirmative interrogative sentence, then the helping verb is AMR will come before the subject. Is he looking Taj Mahal? An interrogative sign at the end of the sentence. It means it is interrogative sentence. I will ask you the question after finishing my chapter topic, and you will give the reply. If the sentence is interrogative and negative, then the rule of the negative and interrogative sentence you will follow. First of all, you will use the helping verb before the subject and not word will be used after subject. Listen carefully. Is he not looking Taj Mahal? Both the sentences are here. The first is that is helping verb is used before the subject. It means it is a interrogative sentence. Not has been used after the subject. It means you know that it is a negative sentence. And there will be the interrogative sign at the end of the sentence. Secondly, if we want to interrogative sentence on the WH word, what are the WH word? As yesterday I told you, why, when, where, who, how, when, where, which, these are the WH word. If these are used, then as the interrogative sentence we made before that the helping verb, you put these words and automatically it will be the WH word interrogative sentence. Where is Taj Mahal? Where is Taj Mahal? Who is looking Taj Mahal? Who is looking Taj Mahal? When are you looking Taj Mahal? These are the WH word interrogative sentence. Secondly, if you want to note word also with the WH word, that where he is not looking the Taj Mahal. Why is he not looking the Taj Mahal? WH word has come before the helping verb and note word has come after the subject. Now we will learn about some as sentences and you will give me reply. For example, I will teach you a few sentences and you will give me reply. First of all, again I repeat the main 4 rules. Any sentence, any tense you want to learn, you must know the helping of a particular tense, which helping verb is used or are used. Second name, main verb. Which main verb will be used in the particular sentence or tense which you are going to learn. Main helping verb, main verb, and an interrogative sentence and negative sentence. Now if you want to learn in Hindi, the student of the Hindi medium, if they don't identify the sentence in English direct method, then you learn that if there are these words at the end of the sentence, Hindi sentence, then you automatically understand this is present continuous tense. Raha hai, rahi hai, rahe hain. It means, it indicates that work is going on, activity is in continuous, and it means it is the present continuous tense. Ram khana kha raha hai. Then Ram is eating food. Now how you convert this sentence from Hindi to English? You will convert first of all in Hindi sentence which is the subject. Ram is the subject. Secondly, which kind of the tense is this? Ram खाना खा रहा है, रहा है. I told you रहा है, it is present continuous tense. तो रहा है, it means present continuous tense. The helping verb is MR. Main verb will be first form plus ing.
तो खा रहा है कि ईट मीन्स खाना खाना, भोजन करना। तो इस ईट मीन्स भोजन करना, तो राम, और राम इज द सिंगुलर नाउन, राम इज सिंगुलर नाउन, सिंगुलर नाउन इट मीन्स इज विल बी यूज्ड with the subject before the main verb. He is. Now write eat. Eat is the to eat something else. To eating, he is eating rice, he is eating food. Now is and are, there are three helping verbs in this sentence. First, which is the helping verb I, is a peculiar subject in English language, and it is the singular noun, or you will use am with I. I am playing, I am cooking, I am eating, I am looking, I am playing, I am running. So am helping verb will be used with I. And there is the singular subject. For example, he, she, it. Singular noun Ram, Sita, Rahim, Krishma. These are the singular noun. Then you will use is after the subject or before the main verb. If the plural, there is the plural subject. For example, they, example you, example we, then you will are a help word as a helping verb after the subject. It means again we repeat it. There are three helping verbs. Is, am, are. He, she, it, singular noun, is will be used after the subject. Am will be used after the I. And are. They, we, you, Ram and Sita, or plural subject, it will be used with these subjects. Now, you have got understood my point? Now I'll ask you a quick question, and you will tell me. And first I want to tell you one thing more. In English there are three persons. First person, second person, third person. Keep in your mind, first person is I and we. I means मैं, we means हम. Second person is only you. You means तुम या आप. He means वह, it is for the male, and she, it is for female, and it is for the things and the birds and animals, etc. And these are the third persons. They are used for the plural things. Either it is the human beings, either it is the things, either it is the animals, either it is the books, and either it is the living or non-living things. It means there are three persons in English. First person, second person, third person. First person, I and we. Second person, you. Third person, he, she, it, they. And singular noun. Now I will ask you the question. However, you will tell me the two rules of the present continuous tense. Which helping verb or which helping verbs are used in present continuous tense? Yes.
This is used for singular noun.
Shabash, good.
Are is used for plural noun.
Shabash.
I is used for plural noun.
I.
M.
M. Shabash. Now, Ananya, you will tell me which main verb is used in present continuous tense. Smile in the class. Which helping main verb is used in the present continuous tense?
First form plus ing.
First form ing. Shabash, very good. Now I want to ask you the Mangilal. How many persons are there in English?